Proceed about 2 miles to I-64 West.
Why aren't you taking you to 64 if that's not what you wanted? Okay. Not a big deal. Oh, ducks. I see ducks.
Oh,
whatever.
I chose the other route. I thought I chose it.
Oh. Don't mess with your ancient car navigation. There you go.
Starting route to home. Head north on North Illinois Street. In 1.5 miles, bear right to merge onto I-64 towards St. Louis.
That's okay. We can do it that way.
The route guidance will start now. Proceed about 1 mile to I-64 West.
They all want to go that way.
Hmm?
They all want to go that way, so.
Well, at this point, yeah, because you're only a mile from 64. But probably coming out of, let's see.
Yeah, I mean that's what it showed on when I was trying to select the other route. It looked like.
I mean, but at this point, you're going to waste more time trying to figure out how to turn around.
Yeah,
and,
oh no,
I mean, that's crazy.
I got that.
In 1 mile, bear right to merge onto I-64 towards St. Louis.
Or if your guy is doing it,
Yeah.
then that should might not. Dutch Brothers.
Yeah.
That's a coffee. I've had Dutch Brothers
Really?
in other states. Maybe
Dutch Brothers?
Dutch. It's Dutch, B-R-O-S.
Yeah.
But meaning brothers. Yeah. Dutch Brothers. I heard they were going to open one in Kirkwood or something. I think I was somewhere. Well, no, I can't say for sure. I was going to say back east, but on the other hand, I've been to New Mexico and Arizona more recently.
In 1/2 mile, slight right turn onto I-64 West.
did take a picture to show you. So you could lock it too, and if someone asks, no, I don't want weather. Jesus. It was a birdhouse, and you take that little perch out, and the bottom drops down in a, nice size bottle, size of this bottle, wider container, and then you open that up, and there's a little spool looking thing. It had the log in it.
Well, was it similar to others that L. Frank has done?
He pretty much
I mean, with
does mostly birdhouses.
no, I mean, but like with the shelf and the.
Oh yeah, there are a couple of his. It took me forever to figure out how to open up, but that's because you couldn't see the hinges. There was some trick. I like a little bolt, not a bolt, like a nail or something, that you pull two nails out and it releases a gizmo. That looks like Breezy's. I mean, is this a, what is that?
That's a GMC, but that is a Denali.
Denali. Hers has Denali on it. Do you see what, on the left it says what it is? Down next to the, nah, I can't quite see it.
I can't quite see it either. That's not an Acadia.
Okay. She said Acadia, but I read Denali here.
Yeah, Denali is their top trim for a bunch of things.
Oh, okay, so it's a trim.
So it's not.
Yeah, you need to be in your right lane, as my gal would say.
What is going on here with the interstate?
Oh, dear God.
Next light right onto
Okay.
I-64
we have to go the
west.
other way.
Okay, sorry. Get off of this. Get over in the left when you can. Stay here.
Well,
You're going to go, listen to me.
Yeah.
You're going to go into that Circle K up there where there's a light to get out. So
Yeah,
you're going to
yeah.
think ahead a step or two and take a second. Erin just said she got the croque monsieur, and she said it was wonderful. Anyway.